If you are a guy, no doubt you want to perform in the bedroom as well as possible. There's nothing that shows off how strong a lover you are than a nice rock-hard erection. You know when you have had them. The veins pop out and you actually look bigger than ever before. You probably also know the times when you had not-so-great hardness. You may not have been limp, but your erection was simply weak and nowhere near how it could have been. We also talked about lasting long and maintaining that rock hardness. There's no point of getting rock hard if you are just going to lose it quickly, or if this leads you to ejaculating too quickly. So, how can we get rock hard, stay hard, and not come too quick? You can skip all the considerations on pills or potions that promise increased hardness and lasting ability. Many of these don't work and are really only temporary tactics. Yeah, you'll have to do some work if you want to be seen as solid and strong in the bedroom. This means exercises specifically designed for reaching our goals. Kegels work the best. These are very simple exercises that you can do sitting in a chair. What you do is flex the muscles located between the testicles and anus. Try urinating, then stopping midstream, and you will feel these muscles at work. They are also responsible for ejaculation control. At first these will be difficult to flex, for say, 20 repetitions. But after you do them for a while they will become easier and eventually you'll be able to do 20 to 30 reps, no problem. The erection is usually the hardest and most visibly at its most impressive state just moments, or in some case seconds, before ejaculation is to occur. So what if you were able to stretch out those moments or seconds to several minutes? That's several minutes of having a rock-hard, vein-popping shaft. This is the benefits of Kegel training. Once you get to that point of major hardness, you flex the muscles we talked about, and you not only prevent ejaculation from occurring, but you maintain your erection hardness. This can be done multiple times as well, as long as you have been consistent with Kegel training. Another near ejaculation period comes, you once again flex and hold, thus preventing yourself from letting go, while maintaining a strong, hard, and visually impressive state. Want to learn how to do Kegel training? Of course you do. What guy doesn't want a rock-hard, visually impressive erection that lasts for several minutes? This is the best and fastest way to master Kegels.